So very nice news. The gray tit is sitting on its nest, and you can see it there. There's the head, and then that's the body, and you have the tail. It's laying eggs every day, one egg, and I'm really curious when she's gonna sit on the eggs during the day. Though yesterday evening the news was good about gray tits, this morning the news was bad because what I already thought that the embryo was bleeding in the egg was true. This morning I found the embryo dead. It's obviously dead, it's not red and moving anymore. I'm not gonna do an autopsy. I don't know, I don't want to mess with it, I'm just gonna throw it away. So, the end of this experiment. So, the experiment stopped at 9 days. And I think that was a good success because, 9 days is more than expected. I really didn't expect anything to happen. Am I gonna do it again? I actually don't know. It is quite strange to see life develop and die in front of your own eyes. At the same time, I think I can do a better job because the way I did the experiment was really amateuristic. Hygiene was 0 and still it developed till 9 days. So I think that in theory I found a way to develop eggs outside of the eggshell and inside another donor eggshell, so I can see what's happening, and for educational purposes it would be very useful. So that's it for this time. In a couple of weeks maybe I will try again, not for this week's, but yeah, that's it. Just to get my head around it, a visit to my quill. I didn't pick eggs for about 1.5 days. Normally I do it every day, and every day with quails, it's Easter. When you count on chickens, they lay their eggs in one nest every day again. Quail lay their eggs wherever they feel like, sometimes in nest like this one, that is having multiple eggs, but just somewhere where he can stand and think, okay, this is the time to lay an egg, he can put an egg down too, and it can be there in the corner or that can be over there. It's every day a different place. The nice thing though is that they lay an egg about once every 1.5 days, depending on the weather, and also depending on the hours of light. When you have more than 14 hours of light a day, they continue laying eggs also during winter, and when it is a little bit warmer they produce a lot more eggs. So you see me just going round and round and finding all these quail eggs in every little corner of my cage. It is a little bit dirty, but it's an old barn with all its charm and all its spiders. But back to business. 25 hens. Let's see how many eggs we have. "43 eggs in 1.5 days for 25 hens. That's quite a good score. So the children sell the eggs for 25 cents each. So maybe you can do the math. It's a good day today. And there she is again, our grey tit, laying her daily egg and blinking at the camera with her beautiful white cheek. I cannot wait till we have young. By the way, the camera has quite a sharp pictures right now. I like the quality more than I expected.